Have you ever pondered the potential of getting rich in the AI revolution? Let's delve into this fascinating concept. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming the world as we know it. This isn't about robots taking over the world, but rather about intelligent systems enhancing our everyday lives and industries in ways we couldn't have imagined a few decades ago. AI is like the new electricity. It's revolutionizing everything, from our smartphones to our cars, from healthcare to finance. It's not just about making things faster or more efficient, it's about creating entirely new possibilities, reshaping industries, and redefining what's possible. Now let's talk about wealth. We're not just talking about a few extra bucks here and there, we're talking about a seismic shift in wealth creation. The AI revolution is akin to the Industrial Revolution of the 19th century or the internet boom of the 90s. It's creating a tidal wave of wealth opportunities for those ready to ride it. In the past, only the big players, the tech giants, had access to this kind of opportunity. But the landscape is changing. Today, entrepreneurs, innovators, and visionaries from all walks of life have the chance to tap into this AI goldmine. Whether it's through creating an AI startup, investing in AI companies, or leveraging AI to boost an existing business, the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. It's about seeing the potential, seizing the opportunity, and realizing the immense wealth that the AI revolution brings. So the question isn't if you can potentially get rich in the AI revolution, but how? As we progress through this video, we will explore this question in depth and provide you with insights that could potentially transform your financial future. So stay tuned because the AI revolution is here, and it's time to ride the wave. Now, let's consider some success stories of individuals and companies who have profited from the AI revolution. One of the most well-known figures in the world of artificial intelligence is Elon Musk. Known for his ambitious ventures like SpaceX and Tesla, Musk is also the co-founder of OpenAI, a research organization committed to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. With its impressive developments in AI, OpenAI has attracted significant investments, boosting Musk's wealth and influence in the process. Then there's Google's DeepMind, a London-based company acquired by Google in 2014. DeepMind is the brain behind AlphaGo, the AI program that defeated the world champion in the complex board game of Go. This was a significant achievement in the AI landscape, as it demonstrated a machine's ability to outwit human intelligence in a game that requires strategic thinking. The success of DeepMind has not only added to Google's prestige, but also its bottom line. But it's not just the big players reaping the rewards. Numerous small startups have made a fortune from AI. Take Grammarly, for example. This writing enhancement tool uses machine learning and natural language processing to correct grammar and spelling errors, making it a favorite among professionals and students alike. Despite its humble beginnings, Grammarly is now valued at more than $1 billion, demonstrating how AI can turn a simple idea into a lucrative business. Or consider UiPath, a company that started in a small apartment in Bucharest, Romania. UiPath leverages AI to automate mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex problems. Today, it's a global enterprise valued at over $30 billion. These stories illustrate how artificial intelligence is not just a technological revolution, but also a financial one. From global corporations to small startups, those who have harnessed the power of AI have found themselves on the winning side of a rapidly changing economic landscape. Impressive, isn't it? These are just a few examples of how AI is creating new avenues for wealth generation. You might be wondering, how can I get a slice of this AI gold rush? Well, let me assure you, there's more than one way to pan for gold in this modern-day rush. The first and perhaps most obvious path is investing in AI stocks. Think about the tech giants like Google and Amazon. They're heavily invested in AI, and their stocks have seen significant growth. But it's not just about the big players. There are plenty of startups and smaller companies making waves in the AI landscape. Now, you don't have to be a Wall Street pro to invest. There are numerous platforms that make it easy for anyone to start investing. So whether you've got a few hundred or a few thousand to spare, you can dip your toes into the AI goldmine. Another way to get involved is by starting your own AI startup. Yes, it might sound daunting, but hear me out. The AI market is expected to reach a whopping $200 billion by the end of this decade. That's a lot of pie to go around. If you have an innovative idea and the drive to make it happen, why not give it a shot? Remember, every great venture starts with a single step. But what if you're not an entrepreneur or an investor? Well, there's still a place for you in the AI revolution. Consider learning AI and machine learning skills. These are some of the most sought-after skills in today's job market. You could find yourself working on cutting-edge AI projects, contributing to this revolution in your own way. So, as you can see, there are numerous ways you can get involved in the AI gold rush. But remember this, it's not about jumping on the bandwagon blindly. It's about understanding the potential of AI, spotting opportunities, and making informed decisions. Remember, it's not about jumping on the bandwagon blindly, but understanding the potential and making informed decisions. So how do you prepare yourself for this AI revolution? Well, the answer is simpler than you might think. It all boils down to two things: education and staying updated. Let's delve a little deeper, shall we? First off, education. And no, we're not talking about going back to university for another 4 years, although that could be an option for some. We're talking about lifelong learning. The world of artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and it's crucial to keep up with these advancements. There are numerous online courses, workshops, and seminars that can help you understand the fundamentals of AI and how it's shaping various industries. But learning about AI isn't just about understanding algorithms or programming languages. It's about comprehending the potential applications of this technology in different sectors. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, education, or even fashion, AI has something to offer. So think creatively about how AI can be applied to your field of interest. Now, on to staying updated. It's not enough to learn about AI once and call it a day. The landscape of artificial intelligence is constantly shifting, with new developments emerging almost daily. So, how do you stay in the loop? Easy. Follow thought leaders in the AI space on social media, subscribe to relevant newsletters, read AI-related blogs and articles, and participate in online forums and discussions. Keep your finger on the pulse of the industry, and you'll be well placed to seize the opportunities that come your way. Remember, preparation is key. You wouldn't step into a boxing ring without training, right? Similarly, to reap the benefits of the AI revolution, you need to equip yourself with the right knowledge and skills. So start today. Dive into the world of AI. Learn about its potential, understand its applications, and think creatively about how you can leverage this technology in your field. Knowledge is power, and in the AI revolution, it's also wealth. So, can you potentially get rich in the AI revolution? Let's circle back to that question. We've explored the wealth potential in the AI revolution, shared success stories, touched upon the concept of the AI gold rush, and even discussed how to prepare for this revolution. The key takeaway from all these discussions is this: the potential for wealth in the AI revolution is not just a pipe dream. It's a tangible reality, and it's happening right now. But the path to wealth isn't simply about jumping on the bandwagon. It's about understanding this complex, ever-evolving technology, its myriad applications, and making informed decisions. The AI revolution is not some distant future event. It's already here. We're living in it. Every day we're seeing new advancements, new applications, and new opportunities. The AI landscape is expanding at a breakneck pace, and it's creating a gold rush of opportunities. But remember, every gold rush has its risks. And the AI gold rush is no different. It's not just about finding the gold. It's also about knowing how to mine it, how to refine it, and how to use it. In the AI revolution, the gold is knowledge and understanding. It's about knowing how to leverage AI technology, how to navigate the AI landscape, and how to make informed decisions that will lead to success. So, the potential to get rich in the AI revolution? Yes, it's there. But it's not a guarantee. It's not a lottery ticket. It's an opportunity, one that requires effort, understanding, and informed decision-making. It's a journey that requires you to be proactive, to be prepared, and to be ready to seize the opportunities that come your way. The AI revolution is here. It's not just a wave of the future. It's today's reality. So the real question is, are you ready to ride the wave? Before we end this exciting journey into the AI revolution, we have a small request. If you found this video insightful, do press that like button. It helps us to reach more people like you, eager to understand the potential of the AI revolution. And if you want to be part of this journey and get more such insights, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. At Jetset Wealthstyle, we're committed to helping you navigate the path to wealth and opulence. We aim to keep you informed, prepared, and ready to seize opportunities. So join us in this journey. Elevate your life. Subscribe to Jetset Wealthstyle. And remember, until next time, stay opulent.